Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In today's video, we are doing a full comparison between Canva and GIMP. If you are looking for a free design tool for your YouTube channel, social media post, or editing photos, these two are among the most popular, but they are very different. So I will explain the key differences, pros, cons, and how to decide which one is better for you. As always, check the description below for the latest download or official website link, so don't miss that out. Alright, so first of all, let's talk about what they are. Canva is an online tool, online design tool. It's super easy to use, you just drag and drop. It's made for beginners, no design experience needed in this case. You can make banners, Instagram posts, resume, presentations, and many more. There are thousands of templates available on their website. Now, GIMP on the other hand is a free photo editing software. You download it to your computer and it's kind of like Photoshop, but totally free. It's more powerful than the Canva, but also harder to learn. So let's break it down step by step. The biggest pro of Canva is how easy it is. You open the website, choose a design type, and everything is already sized for you. No matter you want to make a YouTube thumbnail, a social media post, a banner, or want to make a resume, you will get thousands of templates available. You can add or edit text, image, icons, or even animation also. Canva also includes the AI tool like Magic Write, text to image, and auto layout, which can save a lot of time. There is a free version and it's good enough for most people. But the pro version gives you the more template, stock images, and more tools. And it costly around in monthly it $5.50. And Canva works on your browser and also on mobile, so it's great for people who want fast and simple design. Now let's talk about the GIMP. It stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program and it's been around for many years. GIMP is good for people who want control, like you can edit every part of an image, remove background, use layers and effects, and even draw or paint. It's very close to Photoshop, but it's 100% free. The download, it's not as beginner friendly. The tool and the menu can be a little harder to understand at first, especially if you are new. But if you are willing to learn, it gives you a lot of power. And nowadays, GIMP now supports non-destructive editing, better color tools, and improved performance. So it's even better than before. But unlike Canva, GIMP doesn't come with the templates or stock images. It's made for people who want to create things from scratch. So which one should you choose? If you want to make fast design, you don't know about much in editing, or you just want to post on social media, Canva is the better choice for you. It's very easy, fun, and looks professional even with no skill. But if you want to edit photos deeply, fix picture or do design, and you don't want to pay, then GIMP is for you. So that's all for the comparison video. Both tool is great, it just depends what you need. So just check the description below for download link or any updated information. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.